Hi again, here is a second video for another interactive tool you can use on this site. So again, I'm in Teacher Tools. This time I'm going to go down to the bear counters. So for this one, there's lots of different things you can do. You could roll dice and use these to make equations. So if I rolled 2 teddies and then I had a different colour for my next roll and I rolled 3 teddies, you could have your child moving the teddies up, so you're getting some fine motor skills in, and then they would be able to count you and tell me how many there were. It's a very simple basic activity to start with. Then you could obviously make it a bit trickier. So you could have bigger numbers or you could add in more than 2 numbers. This one you could also do to make a simple graph. So you might get your child to have a look what they've got at home and say they've got 5 small teddies. So they might make a graph here with their small teddies. And then they might have 3 medium teddies, and then they might have 1 large teddy. And then they could talk about which one has the most, which one has the least, different things like that. Just a simple thing that you could do as well. Enjoy!